Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe XD for freelancers, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe XD as a freelancer, start by visiting the official Adobe website. Locate the sign in button and click on it. Enter your Adobe ID and password to log in. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click on create an account to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the Plans section. Select the Creative Cloud plan that best suits your needs. For freelancers, the single app plan for Adobe XD is often ideal. After selecting the plan, click on Buy Now. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete the purchase. Once your subscription is activated, go to the Apps section. Find Adobe XD in the list of available applications. Click on Download to initiate the installation process. Once the download completes, open the installer file. Follow the installation instructions to install Adobe XD on your device. After installation, launch Adobe XD from your Applications folder. When prompted, sign in with your Adobe ID to activate the software. Once signed in, you will have access to all features of Adobe XD. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. Remember to update Adobe XD regularly to access the latest features and improvements. Now you are ready to start designing with Adobe XD as a freelancer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.